Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Livin. I'm Jared.
I'm Ben.
And we are out here on Lake Superior. We're about to go scuba dive. Which boat are we gonna hit up?
The Smithmore.
And how deep is it?
We're gonna go down about 90-something feet.
90-something feet, man. It's gonna be awesome. And this water is gonna be cold. This water's gonna be so cold. It's gonna be awesome. Stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe down below. Give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate it. We hope you enjoy the video.